Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great and welcome to this brand new course through Liberty Park Music all about recording yourself for drummers. To clarify, this course is not about getting the very best drum sound you can possibly get. This course is about why recording yourself can be incredibly beneficial to your own playing, and hopefully through doing this course you're going to learn to use your recording device, whether that be a phone, a video camera or a digital audio workstation, as a tool to help improve your own playing. You don't need expensive equipment to be able to do this course. With a smartphone, you can have access to all the devices that you need to benefit from this course. Firstly, you could get a very basic digital audio workstation such as GarageBand, and there are equivalents for non-Apple phones. By using a digital audio workstation, you can see whether your playing lines up with the rhythmic grid generated by the DAW, digital audio workstation. So let's say, for example, you're playing a basic 8th note groove. You can see whether all of your notes line up to the background grid. If they don't, then that says to you that you might be playing too fast or too slow, and you can see exactly whether you are playing too fast or too slow. So a digital audio workstation is a great way to analyze your time, amongst other things. Recording yourself using a video or audio device, again, just on a phone, it doesn't have to be a posh camera or anything like that, just a simple smartphone. Recording yourself with video or audio is a great way to notice imperfections in your technique, and they could be both visual. You could see that maybe you're moving your arm too much, for example, and auditory. You might be able to hear that certain notes are maybe too loud or too quiet or dragging slightly, okay? So using a camera or using an audio device is also a great way to spot indiscrepancies in your playing. When it comes to recording yourself with a video device, there's also this added pressure of having something watching you play. And of course, that's mainly psychological. After all, it's just an electronic device, unless you're doing a live stream or uploading onto social media that's watching you. But having that camera lens looking at you adds this extra pressure. So if you're somebody who suffers from performance anxiety, or the thought of playing in front of people really stresses you, this is a great way to try and overcome that. Of course, there's no substitute for actually just playing in front of people, but not many of us have the opportunity to do that regularly. So having the camera there is a good substitute for doing that.